Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Explore Life with Sutapa. Today I am at a very different location, that is Borsul near Shaktigarh. So now we are going to do some birding here and I will show you whatever we get today. You stay tuned with me. Borsul is a beautiful village on the banks of River Damodar at Purbo Bardhaman district of West Bengal. This is not only a village with lush green fields, beautiful river view, rural Bengal, but also a village which is full of birds and wildlife. This village has a good number of resident as well as migrant birds. This village is visited by various birds in different seasons. To know which birds visit in which season, you keep watching this video. During monsoon season, there is a particular bird which is frequently sighted in this area because it breeds in this area. This bird is known as Barred Buttonquail. So this monsoon we went to Borsul to photograph this bird. In this video, apart from capturing the moments of photographing this bird, I am going to explain how to reach Borsul, whom to contact as a birding guide. So apart from this particular bird, what else did we find? To know, please keep watching the video till the end. So without any further delay, let's start the video. On 10th August 2025, Explore Life with Sutapa Team decided to visit a place called Borsul at Purbo Bardhaman district of West Bengal. We started from home at 7:30 am in the morning. We went to Borsul to shoot a particular bird, and that bird sighting was happening late morning or afternoon. So we decided to start late. I am sharing the route map in the description box if you want to visit this place by car. The distance from Kolkata to Borsul is 1.5 hours to 2 hours by car depending on the traffic. It was still the monsoon season and it has rained very heavily over the past few weeks, but today we were lucky as it was sunny. We soon reached our first toll of the day. The toll tax info I am adding on the screen and in the description box for your convenience if you decide to travel to Borsul by car. You can also travel to Borsul by bus or by train. For that, you have to take a train and get down at Shaktigarh station or Shaktigarh bus stand. From there, you have to take an auto or a local bus to Borsul. After crossing the first toll that day, we decided to have our breakfast at Hindustan Dhaba. The food and ambience was good at this restaurant. After having the breakfast, we again started for Borsul. The route from Kolkata to Borsul is mainly through National Highway and the road conditions are very good even if it is the monsoon season. At the end, you need to take a service road. And this service road at places has a bit of ditches which you need to drive carefully. Other than that, the road is overall more or less good. Once we reached Borsul, we called Somnath Nandi, our birding guide. Somnath is a resident of this area and has done a great job exploring the area for various birds. He has great knowledge about the birds and their habitat. He guided us to the birding area. The birding area in Borsul is such a beautiful place. If you are a nature lover and not even into serious birding, you can visit this place. See how beautiful it looks with River Damodar on one side and the beautiful farmlands on the other. This place will definitely soothe the mind and soul. With the lush green farmlands, this place had a beauty of rural Bengal, and we were soaking ourselves in this beauty. I took out my gears and now I was ready to photograph the bird for which I have visited Borsul. Then Somnath Nandi led us on many trails where we saw the bird just for a glimpse. It just peeped from one of the bushes. While returning from one of the trails, we spotted something in the farmlands. A golden jackal was crossing the farmlands to the other side. The golden jackal quickly crossed the farmland, looking at us occasionally, and we got some shots. Borsul is full of these mammals, golden jackal. Somnath Nandi even said that during evening time, if you venture alone in the forest area, you need to be very careful as this area has a good number of this golden jackal. We also spotted some tricolor munias having their snacks. That day in Borsul, we met another photographer, Arup, and we did birding together that day. Somnath led us on many other trails in search of the bird Barred Buttonquail. It was 10:30 am in the morning and we have seen the bird only once, but it quickly went into the bushes on seeing us. Now it was the game of patience. We have to wait for this bird to appear to do dust bath. During the monsoon season, when it is very hot and humid, then this bird takes a dust bath to lower down its body temperature, and we have to just wait for that particular moment. We have understood that it will be very difficult to shoot the bird without knowing its behavior properly, and that work Somnath Nandi has done very nicely. He has spotted the area where these birds appear and at what time and when it does the dust bath. So it was very easier to track it. Now it was our turn to wait with patience. After waiting for quite some time, at a distance we saw a movement and Somnath Nandi said it was a pair of Barred Buttonquail. We rushed towards it. We took a few shots and it gave us hardly a minute or so while taking the dust bath and went into the bushes. We managed some shots, but it was quite distant. This bird, Barred Buttonquail, is a very small bird with boldly patterned head, barred underparts, and pale pinkish, greyish, greenish yellow or yellowish leg and feet. Females are brighter than males with a black throat, heavy black bearing over rest of the breast and upper flanks. We again waited for it to appear. The couple again appeared, but it was again a distant shot, so we tried for some other location. While waiting for the beard-button quail, we saw three birds crossing the road very fast. It was a great catch, grey francolins. It was indeed a lifer for me. These birds can be found in open grassy areas such as dry grasslands and agricultural lands. However, I was sad that I didn't get a good shot of the bird. It was around 1 p.m. and the heat and humidity was unbearable that day. And finally, after a lot of wait, a pair of beard button quail showed up to do the dust bath, and finally we got some closer shots. And here are they. We continued to wait for the beard button quail as I wanted to shoot a video. However, the bird was too fast and I was not able to manage the video. It was around 2 p.m. now, and now the heat was seriously difficult to bear. So initially our plan was to stay the whole day, but due to this heat and humidity, we called it a day. While waiting to shoot the video of the beard button quail, we saw a monitor lizard cross the rural road. It was such a wonderful sight. Though I did not get a video of the beard button quail that day, but it was a fruitful day with good sightings and decent shots. I was very happy. We also had a chat with Somnath Nandi, our birding guide, about the birding in Borsul and the area and how he can be reached. Let's hear from him.
I now have with me Somnath Nandi of Borsul. He works as a birding guide here, and this is an awesome place, and we have got really good birds like beard button quail and francolin, and there are some other commoners as well. So he works as a birding guide here, and he can tell in which season we can get. Somnath, আমরা কোন সিজনে কি পেতে পারি?
এই সময় এলে এই বাটন কোয়েল, ফ্র্যাঙ্কোলিনস, ইওলাইট ব্যাবলার, ইভেন কাক্কু যদি থাকে কাক্কুও করাবো। শীতকালে এলে উইন্টার মার্কেটেরই ডাক্স পাওয়া যাবে, আপনার স্মল প্যাটিন কোল এবং অস্প্রে র্যাপটাসদের মধ্যে অস্প্রে, বুটেটিকাল এসবগুলো পাওয়া যায়। সারা বছর এখানে টুকটাক ছবি হয়।
আর জায়গাটা তো এত অসাধারণ, পাখি থাকবে। গোল্ডেন জ্যাকেল এখানে তো ঘুরেই বেড়ায়। তো আপনারা যদি আসতে চান তাহলে আপনারা সোমনাথ নন্দীকে কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে পারবেন। আমি ওর ফোন নাম্বারটাও বলছি, আমি তাও স্ক্রিনে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। ফোন নাম্বারটা
আমার ফোন নাম্বার 9046096640। আমার বাড়ি বর্ষুলি, কোনো অসুবিধা হবে না, যে আসবেন আমাকে ফোন করবেন।
হ্যাঁ, পুরো গাইডেন্স পেয়ে গেছি, কোনো অসুবিধা হয়নি। তো আপনারা কন্ট্যাক্ট করে আসতেই পারেন। খুব অসাধারণ লাগলো, দিনটা আমাদের অসাধারণ কাটলো। আজকে ভীষণ গরম, ইটস রিয়েলি হট অ্যান্ড হিউমিড নাও, সো উই আর লিভিং নাও। ইউ ক্যান স্টে টিল দ্য ইভিনিং টাইম অ্যান্ড ডু দ্য কমপ্লিট বার্ডিং। সো দ্যাটস অল।
After birding, we went to have our lunch at Adi Shifali Hotel at Shaktigarh. We had chicken thali, and amazingly, the food was really good. Warm, homely cooked, and tasty. Though one thing I would like to mention is the chili was slightly on the higher side for our taste. I'm sharing the location of this restaurant as well in the description box. If you want to do birding at both sessions, then there is a hotel near the birding place at Borsul. You can have your lunch there. And when you are in Shaktigarh, how can you not visit the Langcha shops of Shaktigarh? Yes, Shaktigarh is famous for a Bengali sweet known as Langcha. And there is basically a hub or a series of shops which sell these sweets Langcha, Sitabhog, Mihidana, etc. We visited the place and then returned to our home, Kolkata. So, this was all about our adventure at Borsul at Purba Bardhaman district of West Bengal that day. It was just a day outing, but the view was very refreshing and we got rejuvenated. Anyone who appreciates nature can visit this place one morning and evening, and it will definitely soothe the mind and soul. So, if you have liked this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as your encouragement motivates me to give videos on YouTube. Also, if you like such videos, don't forget to click on the notification bell because every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So, till the next video, next series, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.